Morning flowers. White flowers. Ang daming bulaklak ng ating morning flowers, guys. Grabe, alagang-alaga siya. Oh my gosh, look at that. Over on the top of the fence. Look. So big. Look at that, hanggang baba. Dami talagang bulaklak this year. Dati almost dying, these morning flowers, but this year so amazing. Amazing. See, look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful morning flowers. I love it. I love these flowers.